Hate airports? If airports stress you out, you are not alone, and you are about to discover 17 real travel hacks that make the experience faster, cheaper, and a whole lot less overwhelming. From new digital tricks that cut missed flights by double digits, to small habits that sidestep hidden fees and endless queues, this countdown packs proven strategies anyone flying economy can use right now. Which simple hack could turn you into the calmest traveler at the gate? Let's kick off with number 1. Number 1. Airline and airport apps turn your phone into a travel control center. In 2026, these apps deliver live updates on security wait times, real-time gate changes, and delay predictions right in your pocket. Download your airline's app and, if available, the airport's own app before you leave home. Tools like Flighty and Flight Radar 24 can predict delays hours ahead, while apps from major airports like Heathrow push instant gate alerts. With 70% of economy flyers now using these digital tools, the odds of missing a gate drop by 15%. Push notifications warn you about last-minute changes, and live security wait data means less time staring at departure boards. Set up your app profile, turn on alerts, and you will spot problems before they become emergencies. For stressed travelers, this is the fastest way to stay in control before you step through the terminal doors. In second place, arriving based on today's check-in and bag drop rules is the difference between a smooth trip and a missed flight. The old 2-hour rule is history. Airlines now set strict cutoff times, often just 40 to 45 minutes before departure. Ryanair closes bag drop exactly 40 minutes before departure, and United draws the line at 45 minutes before departure for international flights. Show up late and there is no negotiation. Counters close, bags get locked out, and your seat goes empty. At major hubs, late arrivals are the top cause of missed flights, accounting for over 12% of no-shows. Airlines post their cutoff times on booking confirmations and in their apps, so check before you leave home. Relying on outdated advice is a fast track to airport chaos. Always plan your arrival around the actual airline deadline, not folklore, and you will sidestep the stress that ruins travel before it even starts. Hack 3. Pre-check your bag size and weight with cheap tools. A $10 luggage scale and a measuring tape at home can save you $50 to $100 per bag. Money. Airlines are more than happy to take that cash if your carry-on is even slightly over. According to IATA, 40% of travelers misjudge their bag size or weight, and gate agents are not shy about slapping on extra charges. Airlines like Spirit and Ryanair enforce strict limits, sometimes as specific as 22 by 16 by 10 inches for carry-ons. Checking your specific airline rules in advance and double-checking with your own tools means you will breeze past the sizer frames and keep your wallet intact. For anyone who hates airport surprises, this is the last step before you even zip up your suitcase. Hack number 4. Pack a security-ready bag layout. It is the fastest way to breeze through airport checkpoints in 2026. With CT scanners now standard at most major airports, you can leave your liquids and electronics inside your bag if you pack them right. Separate items by quadrant. Put your laptop in one corner, chargers in another, and liquids in a clear pouch near the top or center. Avoid stacking dense items or wrapping everything tightly, because overlapping electronics or snacks can still trigger false alarms, even with scanners that use artificial intelligence. For older lanes that still use two-dimensional X-rays, this setup makes it easy to pull out what you need in seconds. Always check for CT lane signs before joining a line. These lanes move up to 30% faster and cut down on manual bag checks. A smart bag layout means fewer delays, less stress, and a much smoother start to your airport experience. Number 5. Dress for speed at security. Dressing for speed can shave real minutes off your wait, and it helps you avoid awkward secondary checks. Wear slip-on shoes, use a metal-free belt, and leave heavy jewelry at home. travelers in minimal metal outfits face 25% fewer secondary screenings, according to TSA data. Even in 2026, metal triggers still slow lines. Boots, big belt buckles, and layered bracelets mean more time at the scanner and a higher chance of a manual pat-down. Streamlined clothing lets you breeze through the metal detector, grab your tray, and keep the line moving. The best part is, this hack costs nothing. Just choose a smart outfit before you leave home. Fast, simple, and proven to work, it is the easiest way to start your airport journey on the right foot. Number 6. Use lesser-known security lanes to slice your wait time without spending a dime. At airports like Heathrow and LAX, the lines at the far ends of the security area are often overlooked, and studies show they are about 30% shorter than the main lanes. Family lanes are not just for parents with strollers. Sometimes solo travelers get waved through when the family line is empty. Premium lanes are reserved for business class or paid passes, but standard lanes tucked at the edges are open to everyone and rarely crowded. Walking an extra minute or two can save 10 or more minutes standing in line. Scan the whole security area before you commit. Overhead signs point out family, premium, and standard lanes. Skip anything marked priority unless you qualify, and do not risk a penalty by sneaking into the wrong line. A quick scout now means more time relaxing at the gate later. Number 7. Bring a small survival kit to stay sane when delays hit. Start with a compact power bank, 100 watt-hours or less to meet airline rules, because 60% of travelers forget their chargers and gate outlets are always in demand. Add headphones or earplugs to block terminal noise, a charging cable, and an empty water bottle for free refills after security. Toss in a couple of snacks to dodge overpriced food traps, and a pen for customs forms or last-minute notes. This handful of essentials fits in even the smallest backpack and covers the basics: power, hydration, peace, and a little comfort. Surveys show travelers with a kit report less stress during long waits or sudden gate changes. If you dread airport downtime, this kit turns any gate area into your personal comfort zone. Hack 8. Avoid overpriced, low-quality food traps. Dodging bad airport food saves both your wallet and your sanity during waits. Studies show outlets closest to the main gates mark up prices by 30 to 50%, betting on hungry travelers who do not want to wander far. A quick check of the terminal map or Google Maps can reveal better options tucked into quieter corners, sometimes with fresher meals at a fraction of the cost. Eat before you leave home, or pack simple snacks for short flights to avoid the worst gouges. For longer waits, walk just 5 minutes past the crowded food court to score a real meal for less. In 2026, with food prices at major hubs rising twice as fast as inflation, this hack helps you save more cash and avoid the soggy sandwich trap right by the gate. Number 9. Choose smarter seating while you wait. Instead of crowding at the gate, take a 1 to 2 minute walk and find a quieter spot with a clear view of the boarding area and access to power outlets when possible. Terminals are designed so noise and announcements funnel toward the main gates, so sitting just beyond the immediate gate zone keeps you in earshot for boarding calls while placing you away from the busiest foot traffic and highest stress. Many newer terminals put charging stations near less busy corridors or window seats, which is prime real estate for powering up and decompressing. Scan seating options before you settle in and claim a calm corner where you are less likely to get bumped or overhear every loud phone call. This simple shift reduces anxiety, keeps your devices powered, and makes the wait before boarding much more manageable. Number 10. Set multiple alarms and alerts for boarding. Setting 2 simple phone alarms is the easiest way to avoid a last-minute gate disaster. With so many distractions in the terminal, charging your phone, grabbing a snack, or zoning out in a quiet corner, it is easy to lose track of time. The fix is simple. Set 2 alarms on your phone, one for boarding time and another for a final 10-minute buffer. Then turn on push notifications in your airline app so you get instant updates for gate changes or early boarding calls. A passenger survey in 2026 found travelers using both phone alarms and app reminders missed their gate 10% less often than those who relied on memory alone. This redundant system still works if airport Wi-Fi drops out or you are caught up in a podcast. With alarms and alerts working together, you are much less likely to hear your name echoing in a final boarding call. Number 11. Planning. Safe connection windows can make or break your entire trip, especially at massive hubs like O'Hare or Heathrow. Department of Transportation statistics show that 18% of self-transfer connections with under 1 hour between flights end in missed departures. For international flights, the minimum safe window is higher, about 60 minutes for most European hubs and at least 90 minutes for big US airports because of longer walks and unpredictable security rechecks. Booking tight connections to save time or money is a gamble that often backfires, turning a quick layover into a stressful scramble. Even seasoned travelers get burned by long shuttle rides between terminals or surprise gate changes. The rule of thumb is simple. Always add extra buffer time at large airports and avoid self-transfers that cut it close. Giving yourself that margin means fewer sprints, less anxiety, and a much better shot at making your next flight without drama. Number 12. Digital wallets and contactless payments are now the fastest way to pay at the airport. In 2026, nearly 90% of airport merchants, from coffee stands to newsstands, accept tap to pay, shaving up to 30 seconds off every transaction. That adds up when you are grabbing food, buying a charger, or picking up a last-minute magazine. The real lifesaver comes when airport Wi-Fi drops out. Digital wallets like Apple Pay and Google Wallet store boarding passes offline, so you will not be stranded at the gate if the network crashes. No more fumbling for paper or waiting for slow email downloads. With almost universal compatibility at major hubs, you can breeze through checkouts and keep your travel documents handy, even in dead zones. For anyone who hates airport chaos, contactless payments and offline boarding passes deliver speed and peace of mind with every tap. Number 13. Find quiet zones and work areas and turn a chaotic terminal into a personal oasis. More than 50 major airports now offer designated quiet spaces, sometimes entire lounges, sometimes tucked away corners with soft seating and power outlets. Passenger surveys show that spending delays in these calm areas can lower stress by up to 40% compared to waiting at the main gate. Most quiet zones are marked on terminal maps or airport apps, and etiquette is simple. Keep conversations low, silence your devices, and leave the space tidy for the next traveler. For those who need to work, business corners or dedicated work pods provide stable Wi-Fi and charging points, letting you catch up on emails or just recharge in peace. Instead of bracing for every announcement or crowd surge, a quiet zone gives you control over your environment, making even the longest layover feel manageable. Number 14. Smart. Carry-on packing for in-flight comfort means building a dedicated essentials pouch that fits right under your seat. Frequent flyer data shows travelers with a small, organized pouch rummage through their main bag 70% less during flights, making the whole cabin experience smoother for everyone. The key is to pack only what you will need mid-air: noise-canceling headphones, a charging cable, a power bank, any medication, a toothbrush, an eye mask, and a light layer for when the cabin gets chilly. Make the pouch soft-sided and easy to grab so you avoid blocking the aisle or digging through overhead bins after takeoff. Stow your main bag overhead, slide the pouch under the seat, and you will have instant access to comfort without disturbing your neighbors. For anyone who dreads cramped flights, this simple hack turns your tiny seat into a personal comfort zone. Number 15. Knowing your airline's rebooking and delay policies can turn a travel nightmare into a manageable detour. Under EU Regulation 261, if your flight from a European airport is delayed by more than 3 hours, you could be owed between €250 and €600 in compensation. Most travelers miss out because they do not know the rules. The U.S. Department of Transportation also spells out what airlines owe you for cancellations and long delays, but every carrier has its own fine print. Before you fly, check your airline's terms for meal vouchers, hotel stays, and rebooking options. Some require you to act fast at the airport desk, while others let you claim online. If you are stranded, having this knowledge means you can calmly ask for what you are entitled to. No panic, no guesswork, just a clear path to a solution when things go sideways. Number 16. Being polite but firm with airport staff is the secret weapon most travelers overlook. Surveys of airline agents show that calm, respectful communication leads to better outcomes in 75% of disrupted travel cases, whether it is a missed connection, a delay, or a lost bag. Instead of venting frustration, state your situation clearly and ask what options are available. For example, say, "My flight was canceled. What is the fastest way to get rebooked?" Or ask, "Are there meal vouchers or hotel options I can access?" Staff often have discretionary power to offer solutions, but aggressive or impatient behavior shuts down those possibilities fast. When things go sideways, a measured tone and a direct request can unlock upgrades, meal vouchers, or same-day rebooking that are not always offered automatically. In the chaos of a crowded terminal, a little empathy and assertiveness go further than any hack or app, turning a stressful setback into a manageable detour. And finally, in 17th place, building your own airport routine is the hack that transforms travel stress into predictability. Frequent flyer studies show that travelers who follow a repeatable checklist using just 3 to 5 of these hacks slash their perceived airport stress by up to 35% over time. It is not about memorizing every tip, it is about making a few habits automatic. Start by picking the hacks that fit your travel style, like prepping a survival kit or setting multiple alarms. Run through your list before every trip, and airports stop feeling like chaos and start feeling manageable. The real win? Less decision fatigue, more control, and a smoother journey every single time. Across all 17 hacks, one truth stands out. Airport chaos is not inevitable. It is the result of missed details and outdated habits. Each tip shows that a little preparation flips the script from helpless to in control. In 2026, the smartest travelers use tech, routines, and self-advocacy to turn stress into smooth sailing. Airports may not change, but how you face them absolutely can. Drop your own hacks below and fly smarter next time.